Hello and welcome to Logic with Aaliyah. Today we're going to talk about tables using conjunction. So let's start off by setting up our table. You first want to look at what you're making a table of. Let's say you're making a table of A and B. So we've got how many different letters here? 2 different letters. What's 2 squared? That's 4. So we're going to have 4 rows and 2 columns to start with. Our first column is going to be column A, and our second column is going to be column B. In column A, we're going to split this in half. The first 2 rows are going to be true, and the last 2 rows are going to be false. Moving over to column B, we're going to split column A in half to do our B. It's going to look like true, false on this end. Okay, now our final column here is going to be the conjunction column, A and B. So we're going to look over at the A column and the B column, and we're looking for when both of these are true. In our first row, they are both true. So in column A and B, we will write true. But in the next 3 columns, there is at least 1 false. So we are going to have to write false in our A and B. And that is how a conjunction table works. A and B is true only when both A and B are true separately. If either one is false, then the whole thing is false.